Hi you guys, I'm Megan. I'm going to show you how to do another easy hairstyle in under 5 minutes. Using the Volumizing Mousse, we'll be creating a very fun faux bob. What you'll need to create this look is your mousse, obviously, and 2 of these clear hair ties, a comb or a brush, and some bobby pins. So what you will start off by doing is taking your mousse, shake it up a little bit, just a little bit, and you'll take it and you can put it. And then you'll take your blow dryer just to give it some nice volume. And then what you'll do is just give yourself a nice straight part. And now you have some nice volume, so you'll have a nice volumized faux bob. I recommend giving your hair an extra curl to give it more texture, because when you do a faux bob, you are going to lose all of this, so it'll look straight. So I think it's better to have more texture on the top. So I'm going to use this wand here and just give myself a little bit more texture. Once you have your curls, I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit because I don't want them to be too tight. Okay, and then what you're going to do is take your 2 clear hair ties and you're going to tie them both at the bottom of your hair. You're gonna section your hair into 2 sections and just tie it right down here at the bottom. I'm gonna do it 3 times. It doesn't need to be very tight. Okay, now you have these 2, and what you're going to do is take a little tiny bit from each side and you're going to push it up. Voila! And then you'll just take this bit and pin it back. So just keep pinning in the back. You just pin right where the ponytails are, and you can adjust it and pull things out. If you want to have a little bit more in the front, you can do that. You can go like this, but this is your faux bob, and you can adjust it however you'd like. If you want it to be a little bit longer, you can stop pushing the ponytails halfway up.